Hello, everyone. I'm Sarita Hedaya, a machine learning engineer on the AI and machine learning team at Latent AI. I've been with Latent AI since its early days, joining as the first woman outside of the C-suite. For several months, I had the unique distinction of being the only woman in the office, which came with a unique perk. I had my own restroom. It's been an incredible journey watching our company grow and evolve. Working at a startup has provided me with unique opportunities for professional growth. I started in a junior position and have since advanced to become a junior manager and the team lead for one of the core products. And my role continues to evolve as we expand. Being a woman in a traditionally male-dominated field hasn't been an obstacle for me. I simply focused on the work rather than making an issue of it. And I have been fortunate to have supportive colleagues and leadership who value my contributions based on merit.